Today I'm going to show how to install TensorFlow in Python. In Google, you have to type install TensorFlow. Then you have to scroll down and you can come on this website tensorflow.org. Click here. Then you have to come here and click on this install button. Then on the left side, you will see this pip. And now here you have to decide whether you have a CPU or GPU. I think most of you must be having CPU. So in that case, you have to click in this section CPU. Otherwise, you can even click this Windows WSL2, or if you have this CUDA. If you don't have GPU or CUDA, you can simply click here on this CPU. Then you have to copy this, or you can click here and just copy, then open command prompt cmd, right click and press enter. Or if you see something like this, then just remove that python 3 and just write this pip install tensorflow. The installation should start now. You can see that it is collecting. Now it can take some time. You see it has to download 351.2 MB. It also depends on your internet speed, how good it is. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. It is going to finish. It will finish now. It has done downloading most of the stuffs. Downloading some of the dependencies that it needs. It is downloading Keras now. TensorFlow is a big library, so it takes some time compared to the other ones. Finally, the installation has been done. I will close this now and I will confirm it. I'll go to this Jupyter notebook here. I will import TensorFlow as PDF. Let's see if it works. Here also it is taking some time to import. Maybe it's because it is for the first time, that's why. Let's wait and see. Or maybe I can do one more thing. If I go back to the website, I can copy this command prompt, paste this here, or remove this. Okay, this has finished and this is the output. That means TensorFlow has been installed successfully. And if I get back to the notebook, here also you will see that TensorFlow has been imported successfully. That means now it is available for you to try it out. It took some time, but the installation has been done successfully. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.